Welcome to Light and Joy Designs Crochet Magical Mystery Tour. This is a free year-long crochet adventure that you can join at any time. And here's what you'll get. First of all, each week you're going to get a free pattern and video tutorial of a quick project that won't take you more than 1 week to complete. In fact, most of the projects will be less than an hour or two to do. Maybe some will be even 30 minutes. The second thing you're going to get is each week the pattern will feature a new stitch or technique, so you'll be learning something new each week. Thirdly, you'll have the opportunity to participate in monthly giveaways for each month that you participate. And lastly, if you do participate, anybody who does all 4 patterns in a given month will get recognition on my website and on Instagram. So how do you join? Well, to make sure that you don't miss a single project, what you should do is go over to my website, which is Light and Joy Designs, and click on Magical Mystery Tour. It's up in the top bar. And when you go there, there'll be a place for you to sign up for email alerts. In addition, go ahead and follow me on Instagram, which my handle is Agent Sully, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Light and Joy Designs. And the links to all of those will be in the description below, and also there's a link in my bio as well. So if you would like to learn more about this, find out what the first project is going to be, how to qualify for the giveaways, how to participate, go over to my website, lightandjoydesigns.com, and click on Magical Mystery Tour and sign up for the email alerts. I can't wait to play yarn with you. Thanks for joining.